Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can autofill dates in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly. So let's get started. In the first step, select the cell where you would like to enter or type the data in, the starting data. So let us go with that cell here for demonstration purposes. Type in your data, starting with the month, / then the day, / and the year, depending of course on your country's or region's date format. Alternatively, you may switch to a custom date format by simply clicking on Format here at the top, then select number, and here from that following drop-down menu, click on Custom Date and Time. And after that, simply select your preferred date and time format. So as previously mentioned, we're going to go with the month, day, year format. So click on Apply to apply it. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click on that dot in the bottom right corner of the given cell, hold your left mouse and simply drag your mouse or the cursor down your table or list and release your left mouse just like that. As you can see, these cells have been autofilled with the consecutive dates. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.